Hey, so in this video, you're going to be learning about how to design your procedure. So your procedure is basically just the method you're going to use to carry out your investigation. And it's really just a step-by-step list of directions. It's almost kind of like a recipe that you follow. So a few things that you're going to remember is to always write these in a step-by-step list that's numbered. So it's not going to be a paragraph. It's not going to even necessarily need to be full, complete sentences. And you'll see an example of what this looks like on the next screen, on the next slide. You're going to make sure to include the independent and dependent variables and key constants. You'll include all of the materials that need to be used, any specific measurements that are going to be made. Then it's always helpful to include a sketch or some pictures showing what the setup looks like, or maybe a picture sketch showing how to do a step that maybe is a little complicated or might need a little extra direction for. So here's an example of a procedure or method. This is from our Penny Lab. And you can notice that there's step-by-step numbered steps, numbered list of steps that you're going to be writing. It says for step 2, it says use the pipette to put drops on the head side of the penny. So there you're actually naming what kind of equipment you're using. And it also says from a height of 2 centimeters. So looking at that height of 2 centimeters is a specific measurement that it's telling you to make in the setup. So it's also telling you to count and record the number of drops. There's your dependent variable that it's telling you what to measure. And then it's saying to repeat steps 1 through 3 using each of the different types of water. So the different types of water there, that's showing you what your independent variable is. And you can even be more specific and say plain water, soapy water, and salty water. So we know specifically what types of water to be using. So here again, this is just kind of showing that independent variable, the different types of water. Here it says plain, soapy, and salty. The dependent variable is telling you to measure the number of drops held on the penny. It's telling you to repeat it 3 times, so we'll have 3 trials. Holding the pipette, the piece of equipment, 2 centimeters above the penny, so making a measurement. And then you always need a data table to record that data in after you do the data. So just a little bit of review, moving up that IB scale. To earn that 7-8 level, you're going to need some kind of a sketch or a picture of the setup that would be helpful. Even something like this where it shows the pipette and the penny, they're labeled, and it shows you how far away to hold the pipette. So it could even be something simple like that. So good luck writing your procedures for the experiments you design. Thanks for watching.